你好，我是 John. Hello, I'm John. Welcome to Day Up. Learn the most authentic Chinese and make progress every day. Today, we are going to talk about making recommendations. 推荐 to recommend. 推 first tone. 荐 fourth tone. 推荐 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 There are mainly two ways to use this word. First, we often say 推荐 plus somebody plus do something. For example, 我推荐你看 Midnight in Peking. 这本书很有意思。I recommend you read Midnight in Peking. This book is very interesting. David, 我想买本小说。最近谁的书比较火？ David, I want to buy a novel. Whose book is hot recently? 莫言，他2012年得了诺贝尔文学奖。我推荐你看他的 Red Sorghum Clan. 莫言 He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 2012. I recommend you read his Red Sorghum Clan. 王丽，我想换新车，你觉得什么车好？王丽 I want to change to a new car. Which car do you think is good? 丰田 Camry 不错，价钱也合适，我推荐你买 Camry. Toyota Camry is not bad. The price is also affordable. I recommend that you buy a Camry. 我去看看。I'll go take a look. To show you strongly recommend something, you can use the word 强烈, which means strongly. 强烈，强 second tone, 烈 fourth tone. 强烈，强烈推荐 strongly recommend. John, I want to go have a drink with my friend this Friday. Which bar is good? 我强烈推荐你去 Mix. 音乐棒，酒棒，美女特别多。I strongly recommend you go to Mix. Music is great, drinks are great, and there are many beautiful girls. 哈哈，我一定去。I'll definitely go there. There is another usage of the word 推荐，给 plus somebody plus 推荐 plus something. Here, 给 means to, so this structure means to recommend something to somebody. Please pay attention to the sentence order. To somebody is put before recommend something. For example, 我给你推荐一个 app, 它可以告诉你附近的饭馆。I recommend you an app. It can tell you the restaurants nearby. David, I have an appointment with my client at 国贸 this afternoon. 国贸附近有咖啡厅吗？ Is there a cafe near 国贸？ I'm not sure. 我给你推荐一个 app, 大众点评，它可以告诉你。I recommend you an app. 大众点评 It can tell you. 大众点评 is a mobile app, and you can use it to search the nearest restaurants, cafes, movie theaters, etc. David, 晚上我约了女朋友吃饭，去哪家饭馆比较好？ David, I asked my girlfriend to go out to eat tonight. Which restaurant should we go? 我给你推荐一个西餐厅，叫 Maxime's de Paris. 那儿的法国菜很好，环境也很浪漫。I recommend you a Western restaurant. It's called Maxime's de Paris. The French food there is very good, and the environment is also very romantic. 好，那儿的什么菜好吃呢？ Okay, which dish is good there? 我推荐你们吃 goose liver. I recommend you eat the goose liver. 我知道了，谢谢你。I got it, thank you. Let's review what we have learned today. To show your recommendation, you can use the word 推荐. 推荐 somebody do something means recommend somebody do something. 给 somebody 推荐 something means recommend something to somebody. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Now it's your turn. Upload your recordings and recommend a good movie for me to watch. Leave me a message and don't forget to let me know what topics you want to learn. See you next time. 再见。先生您好，您想买什么？你好，我常常出差，需要一台笔记本电脑。那我推荐您买 MacBook Air， 出差用很方便。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? The salesman is recommending a laptop to the customer. The salesman is showing how to use the laptop to the customer. The salesman is introducing what kind of laptops they have in the shop. Please choose the best answer. David, 听说你昨天去吃西餐了，怎么样 ？Jimmy, 我强烈推荐你去这家饭馆，他们的红酒和牛排特别好。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? David thinks this restaurant's wine is too strong. David strongly recommends the restaurant to Jimmy. David wants to go to this restaurant again with Jimmy. Please choose the best answer. Tom, 听说你也喜欢玩电脑游戏。是啊 ，David. What would David most probably say? 我推荐一个游戏你，叫 World of Warcraft， 很有意思。给你，我推荐一个游戏，叫 World of Warcraft， 很有意思。我给你推荐一个游戏，叫 World of Warcraft， 很有意思。Please choose the best answer. 王丽，你买 iPhone 5了？是啊，李伟。你知道怎么用 Siri 吗？我不会用。我给你推荐一本书，叫 iPhone 5 for Dummies， 你可以看看。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? 李伟 recommended 王丽 to buy an iPhone 5. 李伟 wants to teach 王丽 how to use iPhone 5. 李伟 recommended 王丽 a book. Please choose the best answer. 李伟，下个星期我去西安旅游，哪个酒店好？王丽，我推荐你住 Home Inns， 价钱不贵，也很方便。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? 李伟 recommends 王丽 to stay in Home Inns when he goes to Xi'an. 李伟 wants to invite 王丽 to Xi'an. 李伟 helped 王丽 to book a room in Home Inns. Please choose the best answer.